In Washington, the legal troubles are piling up for former President Donald Trump. He says he's being investigated for the January 6th Capitol attack and efforts to overturn the 2020 election. Tonight, Garrett Hakey details how this could all affect his run for president in 2024.
Donald Trump tonight is the target of another federal criminal investigation, this time into his efforts to hold on to power after losing the 2020 presidential election. The former president revealing the target letter on social media, calling the special counsel leading the probe, quote, deranged Jack Smith, adding his attorneys received a letter Sunday night giving him 4 days to come to Washington and tell grand jurors his side of the story. Communication which Mr. Trump writes, quote, almost always means an arrest and indictment. The special counsel's investigation covers any unlawful interference into the transfer of power in 2020, including the attack on the Capitol on January 6th, for which Mr. Trump has already been impeached but not convicted, as well as efforts to send fake Trump electors to Washington. Michigan's Attorney General today announcing charges against 16 such electors from that state on election law and forgery felonies.
This plan to reject the will of the voters and undermine democracy was fraudulent and legally baseless.
Allies of the GOP presidential frontrunner springing to his defense as news of the target letter broke today.
So what do they do now? Weaponize government to go after their number one opponent. It's time and time again.
While his campaign rivals offered careful critiques, wary of angering the Trump supporters they hope to win over.
The rest of this primary election is going to be, in reference to Trump, is going to be about lawsuits. It's going to be about legal fees. It's going to be about judges. And it's just going to continue to be a further and further distraction.
I think it was shown how he was in the White House and didn't do anything while things were going on. He should have come out more forcefully.
What specific charges Mr. Trump may face next are unknown and would come on top of criminal charges he already faces in Manhattan related to alleged hush money payments to Stormy Daniels and federal charges in Florida over his handling of classified documents. All while a grand jury in Georgia prepares to hear evidence of 2020 election interference there, which could lead to additional charges.
All right, that's Garrett Hake reporting tonight. Trump's attorneys were just in court today for the classified documents case. They say a December trial for that does not allow them enough time to build a case. The presiding judge has said they plan to have a ruling on that trial date pretty soon.